have it.
Last Saturday, we had it here for the day.
I heard it was invite only, though.
Well, it was. They actually had it here all freaking.
You got some good torque.
Oh, yeah. I mean, this is the 6-cylinder. It's not the 8.
Yeah.
You know, but
Does the job.
It's a fun car, right? Because you can use a lot of the power. You can really get to it. You know what I mean? Wind it out.
It's more about the enjoyability versus the performance.
Right.
That popping.
Love it.
Love it. That's one thing I'm gonna miss. Versus the BMW engine. I know it doesn't do that.
I know. That's what I want to know is how it's going to sound, especially in the SV model.
I was gonna say, how are they gonna make it sound the SVR?
Because so it's the same motor that they use in the M BMWs, right?
Right.
Which they get up to 615 horsepower, I think, in that V8.
My thing is, BMW's not reliable.
Right, but in the twin turbo sounds a lot different
I know the torque will be there in that V8 for a fact.
than that supercharged. So yeah, I'm trust me, I'm with you 100%. Like, what is this going to sound like?
Yeah. Trying to get some sound from my camera.
Look at the test drivers.
Hey, yeah.
Oh shit! Look at this guy.
Not this guy.
All the wheelies. Turned off.
Ride's actually pretty comfortable.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't expect it to be super soft or anything. But
Softer than I expect. You definitely ruined that test drive. You're terrified right now.
I'm like, who's this asshole behind me? Little do they know he works at the dealership.
The same guy. Wait till they find out.
Right. I'm sorry.
We're trying to have a little fun, trying to sell another customer.
That's right.
Make the shift seem so smooth. Or is it just the gearbox?
I'd like to think it's me. No, I'm kidding.
Last manual I was in was Acura TSX.
Yeah.
You can definitely feel the shift
I
now.
had a manual TSX.
Oh yeah, they're hard to find.
Yeah. It's a smooth gearbox.
I can feel it. Yeah. How's the clutch?
Oh, it's butter. Yeah, you take this, you throw it in the V8.
That's what they need to do. I think
So they did it 1 year. They did the V8 1 year manual rear wheel drive, and then they were like, "That's too dangerous." So then they started making them all wheel drive up until this year. So you can get a V8 now again rear wheel drive. It's just
the V8 in itself is already a dangerous car.
right.
Add a manual, you have too much fun.
Oh God bless America. Right. Nice and quiet. Just cruise too.
Yeah, it is. It's only loud when you want it to be.
Right.
The officer's right there. Smart man.
Easy. I was gonna say out of nowhere. Usually they're there.
He gets people on test drives up.
Oh yeah. They will. They won't shop.
That's crazy. Yeah, I test drove a Challenger one time
Yeah.
with the V8. It wasn't even a scat pack or anything. It's just a regular V8 Challenger. Police followed me back to the dealership. People were recording me as I was driving in the car. I was like, this is too much. I don't want it. All I was doing was test drive. I didn't even own it.
Scariest car I've ever driven was a manual Hellcat.
Oh, holy cow. I wouldn't even try that. Too much for me.
You just rolling down the road, just go. Even gas is like.
likes to get loose.
Yeah, I mean, I couldn't imagine driving anything in the rain.
No, I don't think you ever see a day of rain in mine. Not while I own it. Wish there's a few more pops on downshift.
I know. I was just here thinking. I was sitting here thinking. I wish we had an SBR.
Do you guys have one?
No, not right now.
And I know the Sport SBR is sold already.
Yeah. Yep.
Sucks. Wow. Amazing handling.
Oh, this thing will grip. Yeah. Unfortunately, we got these guys here, but yeah, this thing's it'll hug a curve.
It's way better than my car.
Cooks her to a few little pops.
Yeah. I will say, this is my first time ever being in the V6, AJ V6 engine. First time in any car, whether it's Land Rover or anything.
Yeah.
So I'm actually quite impressed. I think I could live with it if I were to get one.
Yeah. Especially if you get the higher horsepower.
Especially if I get what?
The higher horsepower motor. You get the 340.
Three-
You know,
oh,
you get
okay.
380.
Oh, yeah.
The
You're
higher
right.
horsepower supercharged sits. Oh yeah.
You can actually feel the difference?
Yeah. Oh yeah.